The next sum is 7.1 plus 7 x is equals to 2, x is equals to 8. You want area bounded by curve y is equals to fx, x is equals to a and x is equals to b, and x-axis is integration from a to b y dx is equals to integration from a to b f of x dx. So the area will be integration running from 2 to 8. Now see here, the function is 2y is equals to 5x plus 7. So y is 5x plus 7 by 2. Taking integration on both the side, integration 2 to 8 y dx is equals to integration 2 to 8 5x plus 7 upon 2 dx. This is 1 by 2 integration 2 to 8 5x plus 7 dx. Now we have to only integrate this. So area is 1 by 2. 5x plus 7 का integration क्या आएगा? 5x का आएगा 5x square by 2 plus 7 का आएगा 7x. Integration is from 2 to 8. So I'll put the values now. 8 square, so 5 into 64 upon 2 plus 7 into 8 minus 5 into 4 upon 2 plus 7 into 2. And this is 1 by 2. This will be 32. So 5 into 32. $160 plus 56 minus 10 plus 14. It's 160 plus 56 minus 24 is 192. So it is 1 by 2 into 192 divided by 2 is 96. So the area is 96 square units. Now the next one, fifth one. Area bounded by function 2y plus x is equals to 8. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. So this is 2y is equals to 8 minus x. Y is 8 minus x by 2. Now area will be integration running from 0 to 4. 8 minus x by 2. That is 1 by 2 integration running from 0 to 4. 8 minus x. That is 1 by 2. Integration 8 dx minus integration x dx. So this is 1 by 2. Integration 8 is 8x. And this is minus x square. This is 2 to 4. So it is 1 by 2. 8 into 4 minus 4 square minus 8 into 2 minus 2 square. It is 1 by 2. 32 minus 16 minus 16 plus 4. ये 32 cancel. 16 with 16 minus plus 32 plus 4. 1 by 2 into 4. Your answer is 2 square units. It is 8x upon x square. Sorry, this is x square by 2. Not taken this 2, so this answer is coming wrong. ये x square by 2 आ जाएगा integration उसका. This will be 1 by 2. 8 into 4 minus 4 square by 2 minus 8 into 2 minus 2 square by 2. Now this is 1 by 2. 32 minus 16 by 2 minus 16 plus 4 by 2 is 2. 1 by 2, 32 minus 8 minus 16 plus 2. So 24 minus 14. This is 1 by 2. 24 minus 14. That is 1 by 2 into 10. Answer is 5 square units. This is your answer for question number 5. ऐसे ही बाकी के भी वैसे ही करने हैं. कर्व दिया होता है, हमें बस उसी को यूज करके एरिया निकालनी. जैसे the next question is area bounded by x square plus 1, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 3. The sixth one is area bounded by y is equals to x square plus 1, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 3. This will be integration running from 0 to 3. Y dx area will be integration running from 0 to 3, x square plus 1 dx. And this will be, what is integration of x square? It is x cubed by 3 plus x, 0 to 3. 3 cubed by 3 plus 3 minus 0 cubed by 3 minus 0. It is 9. And 3 cube is 27. 27 by 3 plus 3. And this is 0. This will become 12 square units. Then the last sum is area bounded by y is equals to 2 minus x square. X is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 1. So area will be integration running from minus 1 to 1. 2 minus x square dx. Now again we will find out the integration. It is 2x minus x cubed by 3 minus 1 to 1. So it is 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus minus 1 bracket cube upon 3. This is 2 minus 1 by 3 minus, this is minus 2 minus plus 2. This will be minus minus plus and this will become minus 1 by 3. So this will be 4 minus 2 by 3 So this will become 12 minus 2 by 3, that is 10 by 3 square units. 7.1 का entire question 1 है ये. Area functions दिए होते हैं, bounded by what lines वो दिया होता है, हमको बस area निकाल.